What's up guys, it's me again, and welcome back to Titanfall. Anyway, so you're probably wondering, you're probably saying,
hey, what happened?
To Minecraft. Well, apparently it's been causing some major problems to my Xbox. It keeps on turning off by itself. So, you know, Mr. Angle, I miss him. You know, we might never see him again. But, you know. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. Let's play the game. Play it. Like every day. Death. What? Wait, what? How did this happen? I just played the game. I just started. Anybody? I don't know, but nobody likes me. Anyway, stop playing Titanfall. Stop playing Titanfall. Play Titanfall on attrition. Play Titanfall way with the. I don't know what's wrong with this today, but I'm good. The Xbox isn't turning off by itself. So I'm not sure what to do today. I'm just gonna play. Oh, Titanfall. And also, you're wondering, what is wrong with the voices? Or like, you know, what with the sounds? I just found this new cool thing that I like, and I think it'd be good in a YouTube channel. Yeah.
Hey, this is a battle of attrition. Target and destroy all
That's a sniper? Look at it, it's a carver. AP! What time should I do? Let's do that one. Right, let's play. Ooh, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's do it. 360, let's go. Lol. Ah. Oh, they killed. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, da da da. Oh. Hello. I'm just gonna sit here and wait.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, people do. Everybody has time for that. Come on, people have a lot of time. Oh, come on. Why, people? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, no, no. Nuh-uh, 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 no, 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 this game. How do people? I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for him. I don't think he's coming.
Get over here!
Come on. Hello. Oh, he's gone. Nope. Grab the ledge! Grab it! God. Boopy. Boopy doopy. I hate people. And I don't like those people. Those enemies.
But the IFC are still ahead of us. You can do this, people.
Nobody here! Come on. Are we losing? Wait. Holy moly, we are. Enemy, enemy, enemy. shoot everybody with a pistol. Then they'll get mad. I was like, hey, what happened? Hello. Oh no.
Finish him.
I was gonna. God, it's been 5 minutes of failure. Okay. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We can do this. Whee! Oh, I'm getting my Titan. Nobody can stop me then. Woo! The series, I think you guys might not like it about the sounds because you think I'm ruining the series by it. I don't know. Is it a good thing? Get over here! There's no way you're gonna get out of here. What? What? He just vanished. Well, he did die, I'm guessing. I don't know. Oh god, we lost. I'm getting to where enemies. Wait, we sometimes yeah, I was going the right way. All right, come on, we can do this. Come on, let's go. Oh, up there. Right, okay. No. I'm here. Why did it unleash me Bottomish? I'm getting in, and I'm gonna. God. Oh, he's gone.
Hey, what happened?
I'm on the bottom.
I've fallen, and I can't get up.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, smack the like button in the face like.
Kobe.
And there's only one thing left to say, and that is...
Prepare to be astonished.
Bye. 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 Say bye.